How to fix shortcuts not working on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix shortcuts not working on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll actually need to take is offloading the app. For that, open up your settings, and after you do that, scroll down till you find General. Tap on General and then head over to iPhone storage. Tap on it and there search for shortcuts. So let it load and search for shortcuts, and after you do that, offload the app. Tap on offload the button and tap on offload app again. After doing that, you'll get the option to reinstall it. Tap on reinstall and that should fix the issue. Head over to your shortcuts and check if it's working. If it's not working, you'll then need to head over to your app store and search for shortcuts. So search for shortcuts and there you will find the shortcut app. Now if you see any update available right here, simply tap on the update button and update your shortcut. And doing that will fix your shortcut app not working, and that's basically all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.